We know that you must close your books. So what? So you can then focus and plan for the future. So you can plan for any level of your business. Maybe it's corporate, divisional, location, product, and being able to do it on one unified platform, close and planning. And that's why it's no surprise that in this room, 2/3 of you are using OneStream for both financial close and financial planning. And you might expect, not a surprise, for us to be a 5-time leader in the planning quadrant. And what does this show? Well, certainly key features that have been in the platform that you know and well, like extensible dimensionality, are central to be able to plan and analyze at the right level. And when I look at kind of the real takeaway here in the Magic Quadrant, I'm completely touched by this idea that we're noted for our ability to execute. And why? Because the ability to execute is about outcomes. The founding of this company was around the success of you, our customers. And so ability to execute is something that we deeply feel. And as we've continued to focus and evolve here, outcomes are driven faster by accelerating the time to value. And we've been focused on this. And I'm excited to announce the release of OneStream Financial Planning Express. We've taken the lessons learned with all of you based on thousands of implementations. We've packaged it, and we're making this available for you to release or deploy in weeks. It's templates, it's reports, giving you value faster. Now, if you're using other Express products in our family, great, but you don't have to use Financial Planning Express. It's available and has value to all customers. And you're going to see us continue to push in this direction where we can package functionality that anybody can benefit from so that you can focus on implementing and addressing the next use case that will truly transform your business so that you can amplify the core and tackle what you must do.